Hey, my name is Devin. I am a junior computer science student and I currently intern at JB Hunt.
Kirsty, and I'm an intern at JB Hunt.
Miguel, I'm an intern at JB Hunt.
The tools I learned from my internship I feel like are very valuable as I want to become a back-end developer, and that's what I'm doing currently as an intern, so I'm learning valuable skills to help me in the long run.
I definitely feel like I'm making a difference. The team that I'm on currently, we're working in the same backlog as the full-time developers are, so we can see the difference we're making and we're fully involved with everything they're doing.
I love just learning about, my career, and just it's very interesting seeing it from a professional side, coming from just, doing school projects, and it's very interesting seeing the other side of this.
My favorite part about interning with JB Hunt is the culture and the environment. I really like every time I go into work, it's a positive atmosphere and we're always really productive, and I feel like I'm learning a lot there.
It's very family oriented, and I grew up in a pretty big family, and family means a lot to me, and to have that connection inside of the workspace is just great, and I look for it every time.
Something that I've gained that's really valuable from the internship is they hold us to a high standards with our grades, and so all of my grades and my GPA has improved a lot from working at the internship.
You're never alone. There's always someone there to help you.
Like those skills you have versus like just what everybody else is getting in school, it differs you from the rest of the pack.